when the neighbor came baby to the better. Habu Bana Nnamdi. All this while, I cannot afford. Something came to my mind watching them. What real love means. What real solidarity means. When you love somebody, it doesn't matter the person's situation. It doesn't matter the person's situation or condition. You remain with the person. Thank you for remaining with our brother. It shall be well with you. I don't know how it will be, but I know that our prayers for him will not be in vain. Oh, when this I am praying always for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And I pray God to touch the head of our new president to do what is unusual, to courageously release him. Since he was arrested, the nature, the modality, the indescribable and undefinable insecurity in the southeast became a threat to whoever is telling the truth. And I pray that his release will provide a miracle of security, assurance we never imagined. We may not understand it. Few days ago at Ihamufu, Father who came here on Wednesday was telling me in his parish, 11 people were killed. Last Monday at Anambra, some Eboyans who were having meeting in the evening, 15 of them were shot, 11 died. And if you ask the governor, he will tell you they were killed by an unknown gunman. Before the advent of the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu, there was no such thing like that. And I pray, please, sorry for those who misunderstand me because you must understand me. I pray that President Tinubu, who is building this wonderful flyover, if you have gone to Ekeo-Binago, you see the kind of fantastic work the president is doing there. It's so innovative, so unusual. After the mega filling station, that bridge that collapsed, he has fixed it. I pray that the president who is doing this fixture of flyovers, bridges, if he will do one thing more for the Igbo youth, he will stay the heart of the whole Igbos, releasing Nnamdi Kanu. If you believe this is true, wave your hands to the Lord. Am I seeing hands? You mean you want him to be released? There is no need in hiding what is obvious. Because the modality and the methodology of criminality and insecurity that is being heinously hatched out on our land today is becoming satanic, barbaric, and unbearable. The church is not safe. The government is not safe. Lives and properties are not safe. Our people in diaspora are not safe. Farmers are not safe. Those who are in their homes are not safe. Travelers are not safe. Who is safe? So, if releasing him will provide a security solution, a security evolution trend that will metamorphosize into pragmatic shalom, peace on our land and security upon our farmers, our rural area dwellers, even urban dwellers, industrialists, foreign investors, even upon our men of God.
Please subscribe to Apology Lolly Folly. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell.